Hi, my name is Katarzyna Sitarska and I'm social selling consultant and trainer with 13 years of experience in B2B sales. I support sales and marketing departments in regaining an impact on customers in the digital era by implementing social selling programs and tools such as LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, and content in well-thought-out and time-optimized way. That's how companies nowadays generate more revenue. Social selling is a part of the entire sales strategy, so it can't be treated as a separate tool. And as I have a sales background, I combine traditional sales approaches with digital tools to make the sales process easier for salespeople. Based on my experience, I know and I feel how challenging B2B sales could be, especially in the digital era. In this channel, I share my knowledge on two main topics connected with B2B social selling. The first topic is about social selling activities that can be used by salespeople in the new normal, where customers spend a lot of time online independently. Purchasing decisions are fueled by digital research and touchpoints, and salespeople struggle to find reasons to contact customers. In a word, this channel is for salespeople who feel they are losing impact on customers year by year. It is salespeople that are the heart of B2B social selling strategy. However, implementing this strategy is a team game process and needs to be handled as a well-planned program with measurable results. Therefore, the second topic is about social selling programs, especially for large B2B enterprises. This topic is relevant to each of the group that is involved in the digital transformation of sales, including marketing, sales leaders, board members, internal experts, and HR. The first group is marketing, which is responsible for implementing social selling programs, delivering training, and most important, it's the marketing that creates most of the content which is indispensable to generate social selling results. So why is marketing so eager to start the social selling program? In fact, we have two reasons for that. The first, marketing teams want to build a solid network of brand ambassadors on LinkedIn in times when GDPR imposes many marketing limitations. The second reason is that marketers would like to become a revenue-generating department and stop being perceived as a cost-generating one. The second group is board members and sales leaders who need to see the potential of using LinkedIn in sales. Otherwise, we cannot expect long-term involvement of salespeople. Implementing social selling strategy is a change management process, and it needs to be done in a waterfall way. Board members want to create a competitive advantage through digital strategy. At the same time, sales leaders need to rethink their sales strategy and shift from an analog to a digital approach. Both groups want to secure their profit margins, ensure the influx of new clients, and leverage the existing ones in order to generate more revenue. Next group is internal experts, who have little space nowadays to show themselves as a trusted advisors outside the online sphere. After all, it is their role to support the customers with expert knowledge. And the fourth group is HR department, since they are responsible for people's development and recruitment. And in social selling program, they need to carry out their duties complying with the future approach. To sum up, each of the groups I've just mentioned has an impact on the social selling results. That's why in this channel I'm gonna share my knowledge relevant to all these perspectives. Join the social selling journey by clicking the subscription button, as well as my other social media channels and website. You can find the links in the description below. And here you can watch the first video I recommend: Why is sales becoming difficult? 3 challenges sales reps need to face in the digital era. So follow the Black Panther and digitalize your future now.